How to schedule shutdown timer on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to create or schedule the shutdown timer, first of all launch settings application and scroll down and then tap on additional settings. As you tap on additional settings, tap on the accessibility option over here. As you can see, no option, so we're going to search for the option of shutdown timer on accessibility by tapping on the accessibility button. So here we can see there is no option, so we're going to go back and then tap on different options available over here. So you can select on accessibility menu, you can see on vision, there is no option over here. We're going to tap on the hearing, there's no option over here, and even in the physical you can only see the option of power button and skull, but there's no schedule timer over here. So we're going to go back and check if we have the latest version of the application or the software that we have on our device. So for which we need to just go back to the settings of our device yet again. And as you tap on settings, tap on the about phone and select if we have any updates available for our device. So as you check that it says no updates available, so it means that we do not have this feature in our device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.